Workflow at a standstill because of the XIO RTL2832 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is an external input library for RTL2832 Software Defined Radio SDR devices. It acts as an interface between the radio hardware and PC software, enabling the processing of digital radio signals. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This issue is commonly caused by a broken or truncated RTL-SDR Driver installation. Reinstall the latest official version of RTL-SDR Driver from the official website to ensure the XIO RTL2832 DLL and all related files are correctly replaced. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the XIO RTL2832 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone, the XIO RTL2832 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for the XIO RTL2832. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and RTL-SDR driver error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.